Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm RJ.
I'm Brent.
And this is another video, and we have a very, very muddy Jeep for you guys today. Should make for a great video, especially because we upgraded all our camera equipment. So our gimbal, our camera body, our lens, everything is better. So hopefully you guys can tell. Let us know in the comments below if you see the
difference.
Yes.
And bear with us, we're just learning how to use all this stuff. It's all brand new to us. So as we put videos out, hopefully every single time it gets better. And I don't want to talk too much about it, but if you guys are interested, we have a special edition hoodie that's only going to be on sale until Sunday. So you guys have a few days to grab it if you want to. It's a lilac color with the WD logo on the front. And the back, it says WD Detailing. So go get it if you want. Links in the description.
Yeah.
And, ready?
Let's do it.
Let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so it's clearly been a while since we've done a muddy Jeep for you, so we figured we'd bring another one to the channel. And instead of doing a question of the video per se, we just want to ask you guys how we're doing with our videos lately. So are you enjoying them? Are there things you notice that we could be doing better? Any constructive criticism? We're going to be reading every single comment. We're going to reply to you guys. So if there's something you want to tell us or something you want us to start doing, or if you're just enjoying the videos, leave a comment below anyways. Now moving into the washing process, obviously this entire thing was covered in mud. And one thing you guys don't even see in these videos is how long it takes us just to do the first initial wash. Because there's mud everywhere, you kind of have to get into every single crevice, get down in weird positions just to be able to get it all, and it takes a lot longer than you'd think. But once you're able to get all that initial layer off, then you can go ahead and start doing the tires, and you can move forward into the washing process. So something a little funny behind the scenes, our brake buster bottle is actually broken. We just ordered a brand new one. So if you pay attention, RJ actually has to hit the ground with it between every single spray just to get it to come out. I thought it was pretty funny, but the brake buster actually works significantly well on wheels. If you guys have never tried it, I definitely recommend giving it a go. It's not too expensive, and for what it does, it's definitely worth trying. So here's something we've never featured on the channel before. We noticed in some of our last Jeep videos that you wanted to see a little bit of a garage cleanup. So honestly, all we really do is take our hose and spray down the floor. And a little further in, you'll see RJ takes a shovel to try to get as much of the big stuff as possible that you don't want going down in the drain that could clog it. And we normally do this before the wash process. That way we're not walking around in mud. And the mud can get really annoying when it's getting all over your shoes. So we just move the car out of the way, spray everything off, and it makes our work environment a lot cleaner. So right here, we're spraying our iron fallout remover. We noticed the paint on this Jeep hasn't been detailed in a long time. And as you can see right here, there's some purple runoff, meaning that there's a lot of iron in the clear coat that came right out. And then right after, we went ahead and clay barred it, and it made the paint so much smoother. Really got a lot of those contaminants out. And it made the polishing process a lot more effective.
All right, guys, so if you look really closely, you can see all these spots all over the vehicle. This is either where sap was left on the vehicle for too long or bird droppings, and it is etched through the top layer clear coat, through the base coat, through the primer, and down to basically bare metal at this point. There might be a little bit of primer left, but that's why you should always keep your car free of sap or bird droppings as soon as it happens. Otherwise, you can experience some serious paint damage. Nothing we can do there.
So I just want you guys to understand that when you're going to detail a car, you really have to set expectations as to what the outcome of it's going to be. And we knew that this Jeep had a lot of scratches on it because the owner likes to take it mudding. So because of that, we knew it wasn't going to come out completely perfect. It definitely did improve a lot, but it would have just taken way too long for us to get that paint looking exactly like when it was first done. But we did try some new shots for you guys when it came to the actual polishing, so don't skip through it. I think you guys will be pretty impressed what we were able to whip up.
All right, so after every muddy Jeep, we decide that we're no longer going to do muddy Jeeps and somehow always end up
doing a
muddy Jeeps. So we really hope that you guys enjoy the video. We have a big mess to clean up on the floor and all over the walls, and all the equipment and everything is screwed. So we do it for you guys. We hope you appreciate it.
Yeah, and if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're doing a 50K subscriber giveaway, so you don't want to miss out on that. Sub to the channel, like the video, and if you enjoyed our new camera, our new quality, we're going to keep working on it. We have a lot to learn. Leave a comment down below. Other than that, we'll see you guys next Friday.
Goodbye.
Peace.